Hi, this is Chris 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Special delivery. It finally came in the mail. Didn't get it from Apple. Had to get it from somewhere else because Apple said you're going to need to wait another month. So I got this from a different retailer and got it in 2 days. Pretty amazing. And it's the one I wanted. Okay, so now we'll get to the unboxing. As you can see, it's the Ultra with the Alpine orange loop, 49mm. It's made out of titanium. And they have this new kind of, and then the same thing on the other side, and this opens like this. So here's the Apple Watch info right in here. So it shows you what it looks like with the Alpine Loop. Then it shows you the Ocean Loop and the Trail band. It shows you over here how to connect everything, what the buttons are, digital crown, and it shows you how to pair the watch. Comes with a new braided cable, faster charging adapter. It's still the same size puck. This is 49mm. Here's that, what it looks like. They show you all the different features of the Ultra. I like the Alpine Loop in orange because it actually has orange buttons on the device itself. Here's what the digital face looks like. Some info there. Does trail tracking. It's going to do a lot more once it gets the update. And that's it right there for the Apple Watch Ultra kit. Now here's the Alpine Loop right there. Go ahead and open that. So they tell you how to connect everything right here. Pretty simple, you just slide it in. We're going to go ahead and take this out. Comes in a sliding cardboard piece like that. So there's the orange Alpine Loop. So we'll take that out like that. And the box looks a little crushed, the sides too. That's because of where it was stored or the delivery company. So not too excited about that, but at least the band looks nice. So you can adjust this pretty much anywhere you want. And I have a big wrist with my current Apple Watch, but this actually will also fit the Ultra. And this is the medium size and it fits just fine. It has this right here. So when you have it connected, it just slips in like that and then connects like that. So that's pretty nice. If you want to buy additional bands for this in the Alpine Loop, they have different colors. They're $100, $99 from Apple. Okay, so here's the actual watch. So we'll get this open. Okay, there's that side. Just taking a little bit more care on opening this box, but we'll get to it in just a second. Okay. And there it is, right there. Designed by Apple, and they give you the coordinates because a lot of adventurers will be using this Ultra watch. So it's 49mm of titanium goodness right there. Okay, so we'll undo this side. This should just slide right out. There we go. So there it is. There's the side. So the little circle of orange on the digital crown means that it's cellular connected. So there is a cellular modem in here. And then here is the button on this side. Speaker right there, microphone. So this is all titanium. This is sapphire. And then this is ceramic on the bottom. You can see that it says Apple Watch Ultra. So many more sensors on the back of this than my current Apple Watch. And then this just simply slips in here. I'm going to go ahead and boot this up while I'm putting on the loop. There it is. Okay. I'm going to take this part and extend it out a little bit. Slip it in. There we go. And then you just adjust to size whatever you need. And then you slip it right in like that. And now it's ready to be paired with your new iPhone. This requires an iPhone running iOS 16 in order to use the watch. So that's what it looks like. That's how you set it up. And this is the new magnetic adapter with braided cable right there. And This comes out like that. So there it is. Has a USB-C adapter right there. So you can use that with a USB-C battery or wall charger. And then the puck right here. And then as you can tell, this is a braided cable. So hopefully it will last longer. So that's nice right there. Newly designed charger, newly designed cable for a completely redesigned Apple Watch. Now the guts of this is an S8, and that was recently announced as well. But I really like the orange Alpine Loop. It matches really well with the orange there on the digital crown and on the button right there. So you can pair it with your new iPhone that has iOS 16. It has to be iOS 16, and you'll be off to the races. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.